How to set up automatic bill payments in PNC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you looking for an easy way to automate monthly bills? Well, here is how to set up automatic bill payments in PNC Mobile App. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the PNC Mobile App and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on Pay Bills or the Bill Pay in the menu, and this opens the bill payment dashboard. Now there you can make one-time or recurring payments, and there on the Pay Bill summary screen, you just have to locate the payee you want to automate or first add a new payee if needed. And there you just have to look for autopay or set up autopay option next to the payee, and there you have to open the never miss a payment pop-up and then tap set up autopay. And once you do that, you just have to enter your payment amount and choose a frequency like weekly, monthly. And once you're done with that, you just have to set the start date and choose whether to pay the minimum due or a fixed amount each cycle. And once you are done with that, you just have to review your details and then tap add, save or submit. And once submitted, your recurring payment will be active and you can stop or edit it anytime before it processes. And that's it. That's how you can save the automatic bill payment in PNC. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.